Hello people, so today we'll talk about work-life balance here by controlling your time and playing with Instagram. So basically Instagram is our social media, our most favorite social media, because most of us probably release our stress at work on Instagram. But then sometimes we also have a difficulty to control ourselves in playing Instagram, so we will waste a lot of times. So here this feature will help you to control the time in playing Instagram. Now you just need to open the Instagram and open your profile here, and the next thing you need to do is just go the three straight lines right away, and then you just need to go click settings and privacy. In the setting and privacy, you just need to take a look at how you use Instagram, and in the second line there will be time span, so you just need to go click them. And now if we want to have the day limit or the screen time here, you just need to go click this daily limit, click it, and you just need to adjust how many minutes that you want to spend your time with Instagram. It can be start a minute or an hour, or no time limits, means that you will not have a limitation. But since we want to control our time here, so you just need to pick one. Let's say here you only want to play Instagram for 1 hour, just go with 1 hour and done. So every 1 hour in playing Instagram, periodically you will get the notifications to stop playing Instagram. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and see you for the next tutorial.